Hi, and welcome to 3 Steps to a Pain-Free Shoulder. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can treat your own shoulder pain. I'm going to show you in our own 3-step method. It's very simple, it's effective, and it's helped thousands of people worldwide. Well, what we're going to do here is show you these 3 steps. Now, the first step is how to remove the causes of your shoulder pain. I'll go into this in a little more detail shortly, but the thing is, and this is so many people don't even think about what causes their shoulder pain, and we're going to go into this because there is no way you can have a pain-free shoulder permanently unless you actually address what's aggravating and irritating your shoulder pain. The second step, I'm going to show you exercises which are going to increase your range of movement again and also decrease and remove your pain. And the third step is all about stabilizing and strengthening your shoulder again. But let's just go back to the first step, which is removing the causes, because all of the treatments, or the majority of treatments that you've probably gone through yourself, are all about relieving the pain, not even addressing the causes of your shoulder pain, such as cortisone injections, maybe anti-inflammatories, muscle relaxant, kinesio tape, and on it goes. It's all about addressing the pain without addressing the causes. Now, let me just illustrate this point a little more clearly for you. Now, I want you to imagine that I've got a bad shoulder. Let's say this left shoulder is painful. Now, my left shoulder is painful because I hit it all day with my finger, like this. And I hit it thousands of times every day. Bang, bang, bang. And by the end of the day, I can hardly lift this shoulder because it hurts. Now, I need your help.